Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, and in this video I'm gonna talk about one of the questions that I was asked, that can I use ClickFunnels for JVju affiliate marketing? So guys, if you are doing JVju affiliate marketing and you want to use ClickFunnels for JVju affiliate marketing, then yes, in this video I will talk about this, that how you can use ClickFunnels for your JVju affiliate marketing, guys. Right? But guys, before telling this, I just want to say that guys, if you're a beginner and know nothing how to start your affiliate marketing business step by step, then down below I have put the link of my own ebook where I have revealed everything that you need to know to start your affiliate marketing business step by step. So go and read my ebook. Down below there is a link, guys. Right? So okay, now here, without any delay, let me show you that how you can use ClickFunnels for your affiliate marketing, for you can say for your JVju affiliate marketing specifically, guys. Right? So guys, here very first thing, guys, I would say that guys, if you really want to promote JVju product, then yes, through ClickFunnels, then yes, you must be the user of ClickFunnels, guys. This is the first condition, guys. Right? And second thing, yes, if you are promoting any affiliate product of JVju, then yes, same thing, guys, you need to be the user of that very product too, guys. You tell me, if someone comes to you and asks more information about ClickFunnels or JVju product that you are going to promote using ClickFunnels, and you are not the actual user, guys, then will you be in the better position to explain about that very product? I hope you will not. So guys, here that's why I'm telling you, guys, become the actual user of ClickFunnels or the product that you are going to promote, guys. Right? Because guys, if someone comes to me and asks more about ClickFunnels, then yes, I'm the actual user of ClickFunnels, guys. You can see on my screen, guys, that I'm logged in into my ClickFunnels account. So I will be in a better position to explain about ClickFunnels, right? Or I'm promoting JVju affiliate product, then yes, if I'm the actual user, then yes, I will be in a better position to explain about that very product, guys. Right? So yes, guys, it's a good practice. Always promote something that you are using personally or you have used personally and found it of great value, guys. Right? So yes, guys, so here what you can do, guys, simply log in into your ClickFunnels account. What you can do, guys, you can create a funnel, guys, 2 steps funnel, guys. Let me show you. So guys, you can see I have created a 2 steps funnel to promote JVju product, guys. Let me show you its preview, guys. So through that funnel, guys, I'm promoting one of the product of JVju, guys. Right? So here, if someone lands on my you can say page or landing page and submit his name and email address, then that very person will go to my next page where I'm offering my affiliate product, guys. Right? JVju affiliate product. Right? And on that page, guys, it's a thank you page. I am you can say also offering bonuses, guys, just to stand out from the competition, guys. So you can see I'm offering my bonuses, guys. Right? So you can see that, guys. By the way, guys, if you want this same exact funnel, then yes, down below I have put the link of this shared funnel. Mean to say, if you have ClickFunnels account, then yes, you can download this same exact funnel inside your ClickFunnels account, guys. Right? So yes, guys, all you need to create 2 steps funnel, guys. Landing page and bridge page. So this is my bridge page, or you can say thank you page. Right? And yeah, this one is opt-in page, guys. Right? So this is what you need to do, guys, to promote your JVju product, guys. Right? And how you do that, guys, or you can say how you promote, simply, guys, what you can do, you can create a training, guys, on YouTube, guys. Understand this, guys. People buy from someone who they know, like, and trust. So if nobody is believing on you, nobody is trusting on you, they won't buy, guys. They won't buy from you. So what you need to do to let people know you, like you, and trust you, you need to provide value, guys. You need to provide value first. So when you provide value, then yes, slowly people will start knowing you. And yeah, if you provide more value, then they will start liking you. And yes, there will be a stage where they will start trusting on you. Why? Because you are providing valuable content that is helpful to them helpful to them, and through your content you are solving their problem. Now you can see that, guys, through my YouTube video, what I'm doing, guys, I'm solving your problem, guys. Somewhere I'm providing value to you. And yes, if you find my content valuable and this is something that has helped you to solve your problem, then yes, maybe in future you will buy from me. Why? Because of the trust, guys, right? If I will recommend you something, then yes, you will go and buy, right? So yes, guys, same thing, guys, you need to do, guys. I would say go and start your own YouTube channel, guys, and based on the keyword that people search on YouTube, guys, like I will show you. Or if you are promoting any specific product, so what you can do on your YouTube channel, you can give a review about that very product, guys, right? So like for example, I'm promoting ClickFunnels. So what I can do, ClickFunnels review, right? So I can, people search about ClickFunnels, so I can give review about ClickFunnels. So in your case, it can be review about your JVju product. So yep, you can give a review about that very product, number one. Or what you can do, guys, you can talk about your JVju product, right? So yes, go through your product and you can teach people what you learned in that JVju product that you are going to promote, guys, right? So create a training, guys, on that, right? Or side by side, guys, you can go and search on YouTube like JVju affiliate marketing. You can see that, guys, there are so many keywords. So make a list of all the keywords that people search, and every day or maybe on alternate day basis you can start creating video or training, guys. And yes, during your training you can talk about your affiliate offer or your product that you are promoting, guys, right? So this is one of the way, guys, that you can go and do you can say JVju affiliate marketing through ClickFunnels, guys, right? So you can go and create a training where you are creating funnel, right? And you can show to the people that, hey, I am creating this landing page and bridge page, and yeah, through this landing page and bridge page I am promoting my affiliate offer that is of JVju. So you can show to the people, guys. I always say show to the people, guys. People believe what they see with their open eyes, not what you say, guys, unless and until you are expert or authority. If you are expert and authority, then yes, people will listen to you. If you are not, if you are beginner, then yes, you need to show to the people, guys, right? And yes, I have done a training, guys. It's a 1 hour long training, so you can go and watch that training. Let me just show you. I have done this training. I will put the link, guys, down below. You can go and check out, guys, this training. It's it is something like how to make money with JVju, something like, guys. And in this video, I just forgot its actual name. Online with affiliate marketing for. Don't worry, guys, I will put the link, guys, right? I will put the link down below. You can go and check out, guys. You can go and check out. Down below I will put the link, guys, right? Don't worry, guys, right? It will take too much time to find it, but as I find it, I will put the link down below, guys, right? So yes, guys, now this is all about for today, guys. Now you know how to use ClickFunnels for JVju affiliate marketing. Simply, guys, let me repeat it again, guys. All you need, just go and create 2 steps funnel, guys, right? And yes, you can put your affiliate link in the you can say like as this was, right? Let me just show you. So as you create your thank you page, guys, all right, here you can put your affiliate link, guys, right, of your JVju product. And yes, on that same page you can offer your bonuses, guys. This is very, very important, guys. If you are not promoting bonuses, then here, guys, go to website URL. So put your affiliate link and enter, then it will be showing here, guys, right? So let me just copy, right, and yeah, you can see that, guys, right? So it is one of the product from JVju that I'm promoting, guys, right? So if someone go, you can see powered by JVju, guys, right? So that you can do, guys, create 2 steps funnel, guys, using ClickFunnels, and through that you can promote your JVju product, guys, or you can do your JVju affiliate marketing, guys, right? Or if you don't know how to create funnel, then yes, down below I will put the link so that you can go and watch, guys, how to create funnel so that you can promote JVju product, guys, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, guys, right? And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then yes, I would highly recommend you go and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, down below there is also bell notification button. Go and hit that bell notification button so that you can get the notification about my upcoming training that are related to affiliate marketing, right? And yes, guys, if you have any question, you can ask your question down below. I will try my level best to answer you, guys, right? So yes, guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.